So today we will discuss about AML. So first of all, we discuss about money laundering. So what people did, make large money through drug trafficking and kickback and terrorist activity, so that appear to have come from legitimate system. So people use different stages uh, to bring black money into white money. First of all, first is placement. Placement mean inject dirty money into legitimate system. Like they deposited their money in different accounts. They have 3 to 4 bankers. They put deposit money there. Okay, this is a process of placement. Layering. Layering mean people conceal original money through different transaction, multiple transaction, or through accounting trick. So that's why people use layering. And integration mean people bring laundering money into economy, like big economy sector, like real estate, like joint venture. So this is a way people put dirty money into legal system. So when we FATF, Financial Action Task Force, what they did, financial main keep eye on money laundering is FATF, Financial Action Task Force. They make policy procedure and documentation to prevent money laundering. So what did anti-money laundering? Anti-money laundering is referred to set policy procedures designed to prevent money laundering activity. So this is the main we discuss about money laundering.
No, there are stages, you mean?
Yes, this is stages.
3 stages are okay.
Okay. Now we will discuss on the component of customer due diligence. Customer due diligence.
You mean in the component of customer due diligence? So what are the items? What are the things will come in while we are doing CDD?
Yes, customer due diligence. So customer due diligence mean first is KYC. KYC mean know your customer. Okay.
Know your customer.
Yes, know your customer. Second is name scanning. Name scanning, right? Third one, risk assessment. Number 4, ongoing monitoring. Main and final, enhanced due diligence. This is the main component of customer due diligence. Know your customer mean when we start we are audit firm, we are start our audit, so we know this is our client. From known to customer, we will bring his trading license. From trading license, we will know what they are doing, business activity, like they are trading their services. And second is UBO. How many know about his shareholder? One shareholder, 2 shareholder. When we know is a natural person, mean one shareholder, then we bring his passport copies, proof of address. So this is the know your customer. And
so these component for the customer due diligence. This if we are doing even audit assignment, even a tax assignment.
Yes.
Even accounting and bookkeeping.
We follow same process.
Okay.
For every
so
customer.
Any assignment we'll do, we have to follow this process.
Yes.
So these to know the customer due diligence. Why we are doing customer due diligence, we have to follow these steps.
This step, 5 steps.
Okay. And first, know your customer. Okay.
Yes.
You mean we have to collect legal documents?
Legal document, you can say license, trade license, MOA, shareholder passport copy.
Okay.
If the entity is a legal person, then we bring his good standing certificate. And second is name scanning. When we bring the passport copies, his trade license, then we do name screening. Name screening means we have a software like member check. We put information there then they show system show us it is any adverse news have or not. When we see it's okay, then we will go on risk assessment. So different stages of risk assessment. First is low, medium and high risk. If they have no any adverse news, then we say okay, we are going on board our client. Okay,
so but in KYC you tell we will get legal documents and other if entity is there and we need to reach and tell you. But in name scanning, what do you mean name scanning? Name scanning, what we will do in name scanning?
Name scanning mean we will see whether this person come under section list. We have a UN consolidated list and local terrorist list. If their name come in section list, UN section list or local terrorist, then we will not do the
these sanctions list. Where we can find?
We can find from UN section. We will search on Google UN list, then we can find there.
No, this list we have to visit a UN website.
Yes, UN website.
And here UAE local authority website.
Yes, same there we can collect from.
Both.
Yes, both. Yes. And then we go risk assessment. Risk assessment mean we can see this customer is less risky, more risky, or medium. If it is less risky, then we can do. If it is medium, then when we do more, then come in under enhanced due diligence. More mean we can more time collect data. Like when come is under high risk, then we will consult our supervisor. Can we do this, or otherwise we will collect more, or we cannot do this client.
So means when we are doing risk assessment which is low risk, then not a big deal.
Yes.
Medium risk is there, we have to work more. So just make sure everything is okay. If high risk, what is high risk? High risk mean he is doing such activity that.
Okay. I give you example. For example, we have a customer. We show his source of income and source of wealth. We can see this year they generate income 1 million. Last year his wealth is 2 million. This year at the end this year his wealth is 4 million, but this year earn only 1 million. This is a red flag for us. Mean they are doing something wrong. So 1 million extra, from where they come 1 million extra?
Okay, so income is 1 million.
Yes.
But assets 4 million.
4 million.
How
yes.
comes he from where he bought?
Yes.
When this come? So maybe we dig further, and maybe we came to know yes he has another business also. Maybe he is doing one company in UK also.
Yes.
Legally making business and wealth is increased. Okay, but if no sources from that we are unable to get the sources from where he's getting these assets or wealth is increasing.
You can say this is a red flag for us. We will more concentrate on like trade based money laundering. Mean we one company is USA, so they supply a product in another country. In USA, same product value is $2, but they will send to another country invoicing $1. So in another country, their product has the same value $2, so they generate more money. So they USA company charge underpricing on invoice. So this is also a red flag for us when we doing counting must known from this activity.
Okay, all right.
And enhanced due diligence mean when client are more risky, then we will do enhanced due diligence.
No, okay, these things we already done.
Yes.
So if he is in red flag, we will enhance our due diligence. In enhancing our due diligence, what we need to do? We will do again all these steps, or we will do something else?
Mean we check our customer from UN section list. Okay, we will do more procedure. Mean show us the bank statement transaction, unlogical transaction.
Okay, you mean while we are doing enhanced due diligence, we will go more deeply to make sure this client is neat and clean, not doing any money laundering.
Yes.
All right. So more riskier client, we need to spend more time.
More time, yes.
Okay.
Once we will start our client, then we continue ongoing monitoring. We continuously check and balance after 1 week, after 1 month. They are not doing any wrong. So always keep eye on our client in future also. If we will do it is audit or continuously doing work for client with client.
Okay.
So okay, now we will discuss about GoML portal. We already discussed so little bit here. So first of all, what is GoML portal? GoML portal is a software application, okay, used by financial investigation unit. So what is a financial investigation unit? A financial investigation unit in UAE analysis suspicious transaction and activity, or on those data we report there, like we report from designated non-professional business and profession. So okay, tell you again. Main role of FIA unit is to analysis suspicious activities and transaction. Okay, and so who
Okay,
should
this is a financial
investigation unit.
Okay, so when they find any suspicious activity, so they are the one who are investigating.
Investigate financial FIU. Okay, who should register for GoML portal? So there are so many firms register for GoML portal. Number one is virtual asset provider.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Who not okay. Who WHO. Who should register?
Who should register?
So these entities, you mean,
Yes.
we must have to register with the GoML. One.
Virtual asset service.
What comes in virtual asset service provider?
You said digital currencies.
Okay. The companies
Come.
who are dealing with the digital
currency. Yes.
currency.
Okay. Number 2, D, designated non-financial business and professional. Okay, designated non-financial business. Under D and FBP, so many businesses. Number 1, lawyer. Number 2, real estate. Number 3, auditor and accountant. Number 4, deal in precious metal.
I think there are something corporate service provider.
This is a separate.
Okay.
These 4 or 5 business come under designated non-financial business and profession.
Okay.
And service provider is a separate.
That is-
Yes.
That is third one.
Yeah, third one. This is come under DNF. This is a separate. And third one is corporate service provider. Right. Okay. So if people doing this business, then must go register on GoML portal. If they find any suspicious transaction and activity, then must report to FIU unit, Financial Investigation Unit. So what document required for registration? His trade license and trade license, passport copy of UBO, and one is approved AML compliance officer certificate also required to register for GoML portal.
They need to assign
Yes.
compliance
compliance officer must assign AML compliance officer if they register on.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So good. If you have any question, you can ask.
When does company should register? For example, they're just establish the company. So after establishment of the company, they need to register to Go AML portal.
Yes. Mostly when they deal in such businesses, like a lawyer, a real estate, auditing, and deal in precious matter, they must register for GoML. If they find any suspicious transaction and activity, must report to FIU. Okay. So if they do not do, they maybe they face penalty from authority also. So it is compulsory, and every year we will
They
update.
need to
Yes.
renew the
Yes.
registration. Right?
Yes. So
Matt, as you joined the company also, you know it is very important someone who, this is as per AML law, if any employee join a company, he should also know such information that is very important. So as you new joinee, we already discussed a lot, we explained you a lot. Okay, this I think first or second your training is. How are you understanding what this AML is, Matt? This just camera, if you can turn your Matt, no, if you can turn to your camera also. So you understand what this AML, this law, because this everyone should know in the company.
AML, I'm not sure, but I think it's a law.
Yeah, it's law.
It's a law for.
This is for money laundering. The bad guys, bad companies, they bring the money and use it for terrorist activities. That is the reason when we are dealing with any client, he should not do such activities. We have to inform authority if someone is doing wrong activity. That is the reason. So more, please, Nadeem, after the training session, just give him one-to-one, explain him in detail.
Okay.
Because I think we already explained, but better clear his doubts.
Yes, we explain and share policy.
Yeah, share policy. What
Yes.
is our policy? What are the things you need to take care while we are dealing with a customer? Okay. You also make sure that someone is doing involved in the money laundering. You have to inform the company also if you find someone during your work. Yes, your work is mainly related to digital media, but we want maybe during digital media you find someone suspicious our existing client. So just inform the company. Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Manu. If someone else have any question, please ask.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.